Hello everyone. Let us discuss a very interesting topic called field trips. Okay, from the paper Methodology of Teaching Science. And when we hear this term, we are excited because it's something which we do by going out of the class and going a bit far from our usual places that we visit every day when we go to school. So it's a topic of a lot of interest for many students in the school. So let us see something more about field trips. Now, what are field trips? They are organized visits of teachers and students to obtain first-hand information by observing objects, phenomena, and processes in a place away from their normal environment. So this is very important. So when you take them a bit away from their normal environment to obtain first-hand information about any process, phenomena, or an object is called a field trip. What are the purposes of a field trip? It provides real-life situations for first-hand information instead of having a bookish knowledge. It supplements classroom instructions. It verifies previous information in class discussions. And it expands students' learning beyond the walls of the classroom, which is almost and always a fun thing to do. And to serve as a means to develop positive attitudes, values, and specific skills which they do learn when they move out. So what are the steps in conducting or in the conduct of field trips? First is planning. Planning is with regard to determining the educational goals. Why is the field trip needed? Finalizing a favorable day for everyone. Selecting a location. Okay. Then comes this preparation. So once you have done all the first three things, then you prepare for a trip, like contacting the trip side and informing them that how many number of students are coming to a place. Then informing the parents about the destination, purpose, the date, cost involved, timing, so that they are also well aware of where the students have been taken. Then integrating the trip into a classroom program, because we need to associate that trip to something which is important in the curriculum. Assigning duties among staff members, like who will look after the students, who will look after the registration, ticketing, bus arrangements, and all of that. Like how I said, arranging transport. Third one is execution. Now, you have planned and prepared well for the field trip. Now, going on a field trip, so careful attendance of the students is important. Instructing students at site is important. Keeping track of the safety of each and every student is important. Maintaining a smooth functioning of the entire program is important. And now once the trip is over, follow-up is again important for this. Maintaining records and reports of the trip, evaluation of the field trip. Some of the examples of field trips include a trip to planetarium on Nakshatralaya, zoological park, a botanical garden, prawn farm, museums, etc. Now, we have a brief idea of what a field trip looks like and how we can go about planning a field trip. Now, let us have a look at some of its advantages. Field trip enriches the classroom learning. The monotony and the boredom of classroom teaching is eliminated through field trips. Field trips provide an opportunity to the learners to get first-hand information from natural settings. So this is how it would be. Field trips gives natural stimulation and motivates the learner to become more interactive and creative. Field trips help learners to learn very quickly and remember them for a longer period of time as their curiosity, interest is involved. Field trips are wonderful opportunities to be exposed to expose students or children to not commonly places that are visited by their family. It provides an opportunity to solve the individual's problem by interacting with the group in a natural setting. Some of its disadvantages include it sometimes can be costly for going a bit far of place, contains an element of uncertainty because it's always a risk, the lack of support from the school administrators, poor student behavior can ruin the entire trip, medical risks are involved, and shortage of resources and choice of many could be one of the elements or disadvantages associated with field trips. These are some of the references used for this given topic. Thank you. If you have any queries associated with this topic, please feel free to type them